Loads of people love the Revue CE 80 as it's lightweight, solid body, very reliable camera with a great lens. As you can see, this particular one is in incredible condition, the lens is in great condition, manual and automatic zoom work, light meter works very correctly. We have 18 frames per second single frame and 36 frames per second. Focus works perfectly. The camera is in great condition. So let's check it out. First of all, you need to take the battery compartment, the battery holder out, and it does fit very well. So you need to be gentle, but at the same time put a little bit of force so it does come out. As you can see, that's a brand new battery holder that we're including, and please always follow the instructions on the inside, otherwise the camera is not going to be working. So once you put in all 4 batteries in the correct way, you can pull those 2 pins out a little bit. They go inwards, press it, as you can see the LED comes on, close the lid, voila, single frame. Battery checker works, single frame 18 frames per second, 36 as well. Light meter, as said, works perfectly. As you can see, the automatic zoom works perfectly as well, extremely clean lens, and you have 2 speeds as well, so slower and faster. Incredible camera in incredible condition. So let's test it out. We always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. That's why we test the cameras with expired cartridges. We mark the cartridge. As you can see, insert it in gently, close the lid, shoot for several seconds, take it out, and let's see what the result is. As you can see, the mark is not there anymore, which means that the motor spins the expired hard spinning cartridge very well, and the film is straight, which means that the film gate and the motor work together correctly, which is extremely important. This camera is in outstanding condition, not much to say. Great camera, great condition, very reliable. So somebody is really gonna enjoy a nice, near to new Super 8 camera. Thank you for your time.